but I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. So today I have an unboxing from this Pinch Me box, and I got the Beauty Influencer box, so it has more products. But it's really cool. You can take some surveys and see if you qualify to get a box. So I'm just going to show you guys what is inside this box today. Sorry if you can hear the wind. It's like super windy, but it's a really nice fall day. And I'm wearing this like little cardigan that I just got at the thrift store. It's like super soft and cute, and so I decided I would show you guys what's inside because it's really fun and I thought it'd be cool. So we're gonna unbox this little box together, and I've not tried anything yet, so this will be fun. It also has a little welcome sign, and in the back it just says you go to pinchme.com and sign up, and once a month you'll be emailed when free samples are available to you. So this is just like the little welcome card and stuff like that, and so it doesn't really tell you what's in the box, so I'm just going to show you guys because I thought it may be kind of fun, and they sent this to me if you guys are wondering. But definitely see if you can qualify for a box because they have really cute products and super fun stuff, and it's like the beauty influencer, so most of the things are beauty, so I will get started. It's from Ava NYC, and this is a main product, so what you can do is just spray this in your hair, which is pretty cool, and it just says it's a 10-in-1 primer with argan oil, which I think is great because you can do like 10-in-1 things, which is pretty awesome. So I'm gonna actually just spray some of this in my hair right now, kind of like test it out. And I don't know if it has a scent or anything because I can't smell, but if you guys want to know more about that, I think I'll just make a video so you guys kind of know and like you're more aware of it. But I can't smell anything, and so I'm not sure if it has a smell. It probably does. Pretty cute like colors too, pink and purple, so really nice and super travel like size friendly if you guys need something like that, so that's great. So this just says it's a liquid peel, which I'm not exactly entirely sure what this is, but I'm going to open it up. It's called Clinical Grade, and I've never heard of this before. Most of these products I've never heard of before. It has cotton pads. I'm not really sure exactly what this does, but it has these tiny little bottles. So this one just says the Clinical Grade Resurfacing Liquid Peel, so I'm assuming it's just like for your skin, and this is the step 2. So not sure. I will have to test these and like let you guys know in like another video or something like that, or maybe I'll let you guys know on my Instagram like story or something what I think of them, but that's kind of interesting. And then they have the cotton balls, so I'm assuming it's like for your face, like a liquid peel. So that's just what it looks like, and it's a 2-in-1 product, so that'll be kind of cool to try. This is an advanced blister care, so you can just put this on your feet when you get some like blisters and stuff, and like that'll be really great. And I definitely have had problems with that recently, so this will be really nice to try out. This is Beauty Pure, and this is actually a facial oil, so that's pretty cool. Really nice looking box. I think there's tape on this because I want to open this up and see what the bottle looks like, because I haven't opened it up or anything yet. I've had this box for a little while, just had to like get ready to film it. So it just looks like this. It's a really nice like sleek bottle, and it's a facial oil, so that's pretty cool, and it like looks purple at the bottom, and it is a really nice oil, so I'm going to try that out. I have one of these like little things, which I think the product comes right out. I'm not exactly sure. Actually, I'm gonna open it up. Oh, it's like this. So it's just like this, and it's a really nice like facial oil, and so it just looks like this, and here's the product right there, and then you can just apply it on your face, and it's supposed to, you know, add some good moisture into your face, good oil onto your face. Great for your skincare routine. So I'm going to be trying this out, and like I said, I will probably be posting on my Instagram story or something, like some updates about some of these products, because you might want to know. I'm not sure, but you might want to know, so just check there. Eye drops. I kind of thought it was colored contacts for a second. I don't know why I thought that, but it's just some eye drops, so that's really super interesting because, I mean, like, eye drops, you know? Lumify eye drops. I mean, why not? We all get some sleepy eyes sometimes. We all have itchy, watery eyes sometimes. It's kind of the season where people get sick a lot, so I guess this will just come in handy. I already have an eye drop one, but I can use this like when I go other places or something, and I can have a backup eye drop container. Like, just use this. I don't know. It's not like a ton of product in there, but I will definitely try that out. Next thing I got is just by the brand Yardley, and this is the activated charcoal. So this is like a charcoal soap, which is super interesting, and it says it has betoning clay to help cleanse and purify skin. So it's like a bath bar. I'm gonna open it up and look at it. It's so black. Well, of course, because it's charcoal, but it's very black. This is what it looks like, guys. Here's the soap. And yeah, so it's just like a nice bath bar. Just a black soap here. Obviously, it's not going to leave your body like feeling this color, so that's great because, yeah. I mean, I used to have this like charcoal toothpaste and I did not enjoy that, but I'm sure this will be a lot better. It kind of looks really super interesting, like a giant black bean or something, but that'll be really nice, so cool. The next things in the box are by this brand called Mitchell Augustine, I believe. It's kind of like, I think, a French name. I don't really know. There's some other words. I can't really read them or tell what they are, but they're just like these little toffee cookies, so that's pretty cool. There's a little caramel one. I think it's a caramel. There's like 2 of those and then 2 of these ones, so I am going to try one of these and see what I think. I'm going to try this one on camera because why not, and you guys might want to know what it tastes like or something, so I'm going to try this tiny little like cookie square. So it looks pretty good, and then the chocolate's in the middle, so it looks pretty like good and tasty, so we'll see what I think. These kind of remind me of the things you get in those like Taste the World boxes or something, which is pretty cool, and let me know if I should try one of those like snack boxes because I think it'd be kind of fun. But that is everything in the box other than this really cool like stuff that you can use for gifts. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me unbox my Pinch Me box, and like I said, go online to see if you guys can qualify to get your own Pinch Me box, and you might get some really fun like products to try out. Like this blister thing is going to come in handy like so much, and I really like this hair stuff, and then I definitely really like these little cookies. This was a pretty fun video to film, and I want to say thanks to Pinch Me for sending me this influencer box and thinking of me because that's really nice and very thoughtful. So anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoy. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys would like to see. Like I said, you should let me know if you want me to do like a try the world kind of box or something, one of those boxes with like candies and cookies from other places. I think that'd be really, really cool. And I have other couple ideas for videos as well. I just need to make time to film the videos and everything like that, and I feel like Sundays kind of work out well. So anyways, that's going to be it. I hope you guys really, really enjoy, and I love you so, so much. Bye!
There's not a single day goes by where you don't cross my mind. And we spend